Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of electronics technology news is virtual tool to fix assembly issues sooner. What if assembly issues could be found before the first build? A simulation approach lets engineers test processes early and avoid costly surprises later. Keysight adds assembly simulation to virtual manufacturing portfolio. Keysight Technologies have announced Keysight Assembly, a new virtual process simulation solution designed to help manufacturers identify assembly issues earlier in development, before they become costly production problems. Late-stage assembly failures are an expensive problem in automotive and industrial manufacturing. Recalls and warranty claims cost major U.S. automakers billions, with many defects not surfacing until the physical build stage. The later an issue is found, the more costly it is to fix, often delaying product launches and driving significant rework. Developed in collaboration with automotive OEM original equipment manufacturer partners, Keysight Assembly enables manufacturing engineers, design engineers, process engineers, and quality teams to replicate shop floor processes, including part positioning, clamping, and joining, through guided workflows and templates that require no specialized finite element modeling (FEM) skills. These users can simulate assembly sequences, study distortion and dimensional variation, validate fixture and joining strategies, and identify potential defects before physical builds. Teams gain visibility into distortion and dimensional risks much earlier than physical prototyping, reducing reliance on trial and error approaches, shortening production timelines, and improving build accuracy. Keysight Assembly integrates with the company's existing stamping simulation software, allowing engineers to carry stamp part data from forming through assembly and validate outcomes against pre-production scan data. This connects separate stages of manufacturing development into a single workflow, helping teams detect variation earlier and improve correlation between simulation and physical results. Mathilde Chabin, Director of Product Management for Virtual Manufacturing, Keysight, said, "Engineers know the frustration of discovering distortion only after parts are on the shop floor. Traditional tools stop at part-level analysis and don't reflect how assemblies are actually built. Keysight Assembly simulates real production workflows, so teams can see process sensitivity early, when changes are easy and inexpensive." Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.